How are you all? You are happy? Yes, nowadays we are attending that Zoom lectures now. I know that you miss the school very much. Okay, I'm also missing you very much. Okay, so before that, let me inform you that you know that ma'am is teaching each and every poem of English to in Zoom only, है ना मैम हमेशा जितनी भी पोएम है I am teaching it in Zoom only. But the thing is that let me talk about or let me say something about this poem. You know that our poem number 4, our poem number 5 is the Balloon Man. Okay, I am going to teach you the Balloon Man only. But the thing is that you can see that it's quite a long poem. है ना, it is quite a long poem, and for that now that Zoom lecture is not possible because nowadays you can see that now because of this cloudy nature every time we are losing the connectivity. So that I have decided to teach this poem through this video. Okay, so I am going to make a video of this poem and going to send you soon. Okay, so let us start the poem. Okay, our unit number 5, it is unit number 5 in which 2 lessons and 1 poem is there and a lesson is there, you know that. Okay, so I am going to start the poem directly. Okay, so the topic or the name of this poem is the Balloon Man. Okay, you know that what is Balloon Man or who is Balloon Man? Balloon Man कौन होता है, you know that ना. Yes, देखो here a nice picture of a balloon man is there. Yes, how nicely he has dressed up, है ना. हाँ, and he is having so many colorful balloons. Okay, so here we are going to learn about this poem. So let us read the first stanza of the poem. Okay, देखो it is not having any we can say that the tone, okay, or any tune is not there. So we are going to read it like this only. Okay, so let us start the poem, beta. The Balloon Man. He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. Okay, you have seen him many times. आपने उसको देखा होगा, that balloon man. Yes, nowadays due to this corona we cannot go anywhere, है ना. Yes, our parents are not taking us anywhere because of this pandemic. But the thing is that beta, like whenever you like visit the markets or the malls, yes, you'll find the balloon man over there. आपको एक balloon man वहाँ पे always दिखाई देगा. Yes, he always comes on market days. Whenever the market days will be there, or whenever you'll visit the market, then on that in that market definitely or you'll find the balloon man over there. Okay, so he comes on the market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. देखो here the word bunch has been given to you. Ma'am has taught you what are collective nouns. मैम ने बताया था ना what are collective nouns. The names we are giving to the groups of the words are called the collective nouns. Yes, so here for group of the balloons the word bunch has been used. Okay, so here we will consider bunch as the group of balloons. So he holds balloon. उन्होंने क्या होल्ड करके रखा है? बलून्स, अ लवली बंच ऑफ बलून्स. एंड इन द मार्केट स्क्वायर ही स्टेज एंड नेवर सीम्स टू थिंक ऑफ लंच. ओके, एवरी आफ्टरनून ही इज कमिंग टू द मार्केट प्लेस. ओके, एंड ही इज सेलिंग द बलून्स टू द चिल्ड्रेन. ओके, एंड वेयर ही स्टेज, कहाँ पे खड़ा रहता है वो? ही स्टेज ऑन द मार्केट स्क्वायर. यू हैव ऑलवेज फाइंड दैट क्रॉस रोड इन द मार्केट. ओके, देखो whenever this pandemic will get over and you'll get a chance of visiting any market with your parents and then see that square means any like corners. Okay, any corner of the market or between that fountain, whenever the big fountain will be there in the market. Okay, so you'll find a balloon man over there. ठीक है, जब 4 रास्ते वहाँ पे इकट्ठे होते हैं और any corner you'll find a balloon man there. So here when we'll talk about this balloon man whom or like our poet is saying, so he stays at the market square and never seems to think of lunch. He is so busy because many children are coming to him. Yes, for buying the beautiful and pretty and colorful balloon. So he never think of or he never seems of thinking of lunch. उसको lunch लेने की पड़ी नहीं होती है. Okay, every afternoon you'll find some such balloon man in the market. Okay, so he never seems to think of lunch. Okay, ऐसे लगता भी नहीं है that he's thinking of lunch, or he's like feeling hungry or what. No, he used to stand in the market square to sell the balloons to the children. Okay, now let us move to the second stanza. There are red and purple and blue and green, and when it's a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining for far away. Okay, so here in the second stanza, the poet is saying, like poet wants to say, like how, which colored balloons are there? Because so beautiful and pretty balloons are there. They are in red and purple and blue and green. Okay, so this many colors of balloons are there with balloon man. Okay, and when it's a sunny day, okay, so in the sunny day, that balloon man used to bring such kind of or such colored balloons for the children. The carts and people get between. You see them shining far away. Okay, you have see that now that market is such a busy place. Yes, many carts are running here and there. Carts, पता है ना बेटा, वो जो गाड़ियाँ होती है जिसके ऊपर कुछ सामान लाद के the laborers are going here and there. Yes, so that carts and people get between. Okay, वो सब एक साथ आ जाते हैं. You see them shining far away, and this balloon man used to stand far from the people so that no crowd will be there, and the children will easily going to get the balloons. Yes, so these balloon men are shining brightly far away from these carts and people. Okay, they used to stand near the square or near the corner of the market, and they used to sell the balloons to the children. Okay, let us move to the third stanza. And some are big and some are small. Now yes, balloon man is also having the balloons of different sizes. Now which sizes are there? So some of the balloons are very big and some of the balloons are very small, all tied together with a string. Yes, and he has tied the balloons with a string. ठीक है, उसने क्या किया है, बलून मैंने उस सारे के सारे बलून्स को रस्सी से बांध दिया है. ऑल टाइड, TIED, टाइड का मतलब बांधना, एंड स्ट्रिंग मीन्स अ rope or रस्सी. ठीक है, and if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Okay, I want to see them like tugging in the sky or tugging in the air here and there. TUG, tug means ऐसे ऐसे हिलते हैं ना, when the air will come, when the wind will come. जब हवा चलती है तो बलून कैसे ऐसे 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 डांस कर रहा होता है स्काई में. You have watched that? हाँ, ever you have seen that? Yes, I have seen that on that Makar Sankranti or that kite festival. Yes, because on kite festival we are flying these balloons also na, in the sky. So when the high wind will be there, so the balloon will tug here and there. Tug means यहाँ से वहाँ से झूमते रहते हैं ना, that is called tug. So here, and if there is a wind at all, and when the wind will come, they'll tug here and there like anything. Okay, now let us move to the next or the last stanza. Someday perhaps he'll let them go, and we shall see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Okay, so in the last stanza, it's a very beautiful stanza. It is a very nice imagination done by the poet. What he is saying, someday perhaps he'll let them go. Okay, so someday what balloon man is doing to make the kid very happy, okay, and to joy them. Okay, वो क्या करता है balloon man? He perhaps he will let them go. एक दिन ऐसा होगा कि वो शायद उन सारे balloons को जाने देगा. He'll let them go in the sky, and we shall see them sailing high. Okay, now you know that ना, the ship sails in the sea. जो शिप होती है वो कहाँ सेल करती है, कहाँ पे चलती है, सी में चलती है. बट हियर द पोएट इज इमेजिनिंग दैट द बलून्स आर सेलिंग इन द स्काई. ओके, सो एंड वी शल सी देम. वी मीन्स all of them, that is the people, that the children, all of them will see them sailing high up to the sky and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky, and from below, that is from the downwards will see the beautiful pretty balloons of many different sizes. Like some of them will be big, some of them will be small sailing in the sky and will watch them standing below. Okay, and they would look pretty in the sky, वो बहुत खूबसूरत दिखेंगे in the sky. Okay, so this was a nice imagination done by the poet. He wished that someday perhaps the balloon man will let them go in the sky and we shall see all of them sailing in the high up to the sky from the below. We will stand below, हम नीचे खड़े होके सारे बलून्स को ऊपर उड़ता हुआ देखेंगे. ओ माय गॉड, हाउ एंजॉयबल और हाउ जॉयफुल मोमेंट इट वॉज. ओके, आई लाइक द मोस्ट, ये चीज़ मुझे बहुत पसंद है, टू लुक द बलून सेलिंग इन द स्काई. मुझे ऐसे हवा में उड़ते हुए बलून को देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आई होप दैट यू ऑल्सो लाइक टू सी दैट. ओके, सो हियर द पोएम एंड्स. ओके, यहाँ पे पोएम ख़त्म होती है एंड इट इज़ रिटन बाय रोज फ्लाईमैन. येस, इट इज़ वन ऑफ द फेमस पोएट ऑफ दैट इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. बहुत जाने माने पोएट है दैट रोज फ्लाईमैन एंड ही हैज़ रिटन दिस ब्यूटिफुल पोएम फॉर द kids like you. Okay, I hope that you have noted the doubts also. Okay, so let us discuss more about this poem into that Zoom lecture. Okay, now your man is signing off, beta. Bye bye.